Today I'm going to tell you what goes inside of a computer. Mainly starts with this power supply. 500 watts, you really don't want to succeed that, because it's not, you don't really need much more than that. This is my storage, SanDisk. This is my graphics card. It's not a very well needed thing in my computer, but it helps if you want to do alternate stuff with it. Down here is the SSD, that's my alternate storage. It's a faster storage. Down here we have my motherboard. This whole square thing underneath this fan is my motherboard. My CPU is underneath all this, towards the back, right here. And then you always need to make sure that little looks like a watch battery is good, because if not, then the whole motherboard will be shut down. That's an alternate plug-in for a CPU, but you don't really need that. And it sounds very simple, but it's a lot more work than what it's made out to be. But thank you.